What is up? It is Bro Cracker back again, boys. Just wanted to share some Girandola information with you guys. These have been around for a long time. Not too many people have experienced these, and I just want a little safety tip from Bro Cracker to make sure you shoot these things right. You do not want to set them on the ground like so and light them off. They have to be hold on a second, boys. Up on a rod and spinning. Here's another one, see? See that, boys? Not like this, see? Don't spin. Like so, boys. There's a big one. Look at that. Beautiful. This big one here comes with a really sturdy ass metal launcher because it's what it needs, guys. You don't put them on the ground, boys. See, you get it on there. Safety tips from Bro Cracker, boys. You know how to do it. Take it easy.